Local news for Wednesday the 13th of February. A Wairarapa couple undertaking a Marie Kondo-inspired clean-up have found two long-lost agricultural trophies. Corey and Gina Bradley from Masterton have been systematically working through their home after watching the decluttering guru on Netflix. In the process, they found a box filled with old New Zealand young farmers' items, including two agricultural trophies. Explore Specialist Advice is proud to be a partner in the Piki pilot, which will offer free mental health support to thousands of 18 to 25-year-olds across the Wellington, Hutt Valley and Wairarapa regions. Explore General Manager Sean Vestick says by putting people at the centre of their own support, Piki reflects Explore's focus on working not just with the individual, but alongside their family or whānau, friends and wider communities. A refugee-led NGO is unhappy the government chose not to consult with them on new resettlement areas, which they say could be detrimental to refugees and to life in New Zealand. The Changemakers Resettlement Forum believes the areas, including Masterton, might not have the support network or relevant jobs for the refugees who arrive in Aotearoa. And finally, Wairarapa United have their first trainings tomorrow night, 5:30 for the women and 7 p.m. for the men. For local news, I'm Brent Gare.